What's up, you guys? Larry Cassara 1999's here. We're looking at an old toy, Tonka truck. Don't know what year. I have a dent around here. Where do you get parts for them? If I can ask you guys, possibly. I know the front is dented here. The windshield's destroyed. I can fix that there. I don't know date on it. Dented. I know it says Tonka Service on it, and one of the wheels, I don't remember which one. Is it this one? Yes, this one. See where my finger is? It's got like a chip in it, so I gotta replace it. This one's not that bad. Another thing is, what would go on the back? And then yes, it does have a bow on the bottom. And there was something that would hook up right here. Question is what? Would there be like a door? Like would have open doors? Or because I see these two windows back here too. Another dent there. I bought this used a couple years ago. I used to play with it. I don't play with it much. It was before I had a YouTube channel. I kind of want you guys to tell me where you get parts from. Because that would be nice, because I need to get parts for this. I want to eventually restore it. Now, no, I do not have a powder coater. I know where to potentially get rivets, but I got to measure them. Interesting, the rivets are this way. They're upwards and not downwards. Because most of the Tonka trucks videos I've watched, they have the rivets pointing this way. Not this way. And you notice, but I can say it's from probably the late 60s. I got a couple more. But the biggest thing is this front windshields. It's just destroyed. Actually, is that windshield openable? Yeah, it is. No, it isn't. Oh, I gotta open up those tabs. Shit. Well, as you know, this old Tonka truck, I want to restore it, but I need your guys' advice for it. I don't know much about it. I don't know what it would look like all brand new. I mean, except the color and the stickers. The rubber on the side, like this white wall, I'm not sure that's still pliable. That's hard to rock. Hard to rock, actually. Yep, hard to rock, and it actually chipped off. So that means I'll have to get new rubber. At least the caps ain't rusted. This has never seen any outdoors. Never took it outdoors when I played with it. But at least the hubcaps ain't rusted. I've seen some worse Tonka trucks for wear, but this is not that bad a shape. It's the back door and then the inside. I don't know if the camera can catch it. It does need a cleaning. As you can tell, I got some macaroni and then some pop. But yeah, I'm gonna restore this possibly on the channel. I know my channel was not originally for restoring stuff. I know my channel was originally for Hot Wheel racing and other things. But I'm thinking about for the fact of some entertainment, something different, and I want to learn a little bit about this. Excuse my farting. It's just habit. But yeah, you know, let's go beyond that. I want to restore this and do not know how to really restore this because of, well, for one, I don't know what it had on the back. Yeah, I don't know if there was like, I don't know if like there'd be like, and I see other holes here, like I'm wondering like, where there be like, I don't know, items here, and then there's like a door, you know, that would open up, kind of like, you know, like a splitting door. So I don't not know. Maybe you guys can tell me, or you could ask some of those Tonka Restore guys. They might know because they might have this type of truck with this back on it. I don't know. I never asked them. I've been, you know, I wasn't sure they would probably think they would know what this truck is. But I can see it's from probably the late 60s. Late 1960s. No date on it. I know it's American made, obviously. It's pretty heavy. I can say that much. It weighs a good amount. But yeah. I don't know if you guys... Does it say American? What? Well, that's this patent date. Maybe that would tell me, right? Well... It's not that bad a shape, except that broken wheel I need to replace. That's probably the other damage. But, beyond that, if we do we're going to get this restored on my channel. Like, you're going to see me fix this. Now, no, I do not have a, I don't have a, what is it called again? A, brain fart. One of those spraying type things. You guys will probably tell me down below. I know what they are, but I'm having a brain fart. I'm trying to remember. Yeah, can't. You can just tell me down below, just to remember. Yeah, but I don't have one of those. I know I do not have a powder coater. I don't even know what the heck that powder coater is, because that's something new for me. I have rattling cans. I have sandpaper. I could sand this, but I really don't want to. I have wire wheels. I have a buffer, but no polish. The bumper and the front can be fixed. I can say that much in this side thing. But overall, this Tonka truck here, I really think this won't take that much effort to fix. I mean, as is, I'm gonna have to get these sides fixed. You know, they're dented. I mean, this is probably at least 1960s. I don't think 50s, but then there, I don't know. I've been needing to get that bumper, that front headlight assembly off, but realistic. Oh man, that bumper is dented. I'm gonna have to pop. I don't know, is that powder coated or is that painted? See two marks there. Tonka Service. Okay. I know, I'm probably looking at this thing like crazy, but we're gonna sign off from here. I'm sorry this is kind of like a boring video for you guys, but I've been needing to do research on it, and I figured I'd post it. I know it's on my bed, sitting here waiting for its turn in life, but hey, post what you got down below, comment, subscribe, you know, share this with your buddies, you know, your friends, all your guys out there. Hit the bell. They'll keep you guys updated when I make a video. This is Larry Cassar 1999, and I am signing off.